you want to do sales because others are doing it. Ekwago na village. Ekwago na village. You go just pack go village. I want to do sales. I want to do sales. You want to do sales. Next week is 1st of December, right? I know you're already planning. You're already thinking, hi, I must do sales. So, no way. I'm the only one that have not done sales. So, my dear, calm down. You first of all ask yourself, can my business do sales? Everyone is doing December sales. I don't have anything against those who their business is strong. They know they can do it. If after doing it, they can still stand. But you and I that know that our business is just coming up small. You are trying to stand. We never get scared. You want to do sales because others are doing it. The Kwago na village. The Kwago na village. You go just pack go village. So my dear, calm down. If you don't do sales now, that doesn't mean you won't do it again. I know what I'm saying. Somebody somewhere is already thinking, let me just do it. Let me just calm down. Just like me now. I'm still trying to grow my business. It still dey come up. I can't do sales this year. You can do birthday sales. You can do New Year sales. Anyone, you can even wake up one morning and say, okay, you are doing sales today. Good. But as long as your business can't carry it now, calm down. Just like this, our beautiful shirts. It's 4K. Yes. But because it's December, we want everybody to look good. We can tell you, okay, take 2 for 7K. Just look at it. It's worth it. But you don't expect me to come and carry these beautiful shirts. See them. Very beautiful. Look now. See now. You don't expect me to take these beautiful shirts and start telling you, yeah, give me 1.5. Give me 2K because I am running sales. I cannot do it. If I do it, I'll go back to village. You see them? This one is a bigger size. Yes. I think size 14 can wear this. But the other ones is size 12 only. From 8 to 12 that can wear this ones I already showed you. So what am I saying in essence? If you can't do sales, just do like me. If it's 8K, you can tell them, well, yeah, take 2 for 15 or 16.5 or 17.5. Anything. Even if it's 500, I take it, remove from them. You understand? Don't go and do said my own. Thank you.